Charlie.
Alright, we're here with Zach. He's about to jump 855 feet off of the Stratosphere Tower here in Las Vegas. It's from the 108th floor. Hey. Take one step to your right. Alright, go in.
I'm good.
Good?
Yep.
Turn around, we're going to take one more photo. Well, 3, 2, 1. You're out there, take it exactly. Alright, turn that way, hands on the railing. One step to your left. Stay right there. Lean out. Back low. Lean forward for me. Thank you. Right hand goes on that railing.
Right here.
And left hand to the other side. Feet halfway off the edge. Wait till I tell you go. Here comes Zach in 3, 2, 1, go! Zach, welcome back. What's your vibe?
Yeah.
Anything to say to your friends and family?
That was fun.
Would you do it again?
Yes, I would.
Alright, thanks for joining us in Las Vegas.